What the heck is going on with these insane insurance premium hikes that are across the board, across the nation, and how you can help prevent that for yourself? Chris, I know you're somewhere in America. Where are you at
Yes.
exactly today?
So I'm traveling today. So I'm actually in Minnesota, flying back to Colorado this week.
That's
So
right. I'll see you soon, my
yes,
friend. So, Chris, you have heard undoubtedly by this point of the massive spikes in insurance rates for homeowners, property owners, commercial building owners, and all of the like. Like, what do you think is happening in the insurance market that this is occurring?
I think it's just got a combination of a lot of things. I think,
Yeah,
some of the insurance companies, bottom line numbers not probably there. Who knows?
right.
A lot of money
Yeah,
was spent on too much advertising, Super Bowl ads. Who knows on that? Um, as
right,
far as what makes up claims, I mean, the math doesn't lie. Roof
right.
claims, hail/wind claims to the roof make up, I think it was last I checked, over 45% of all insurance claims. So
Yeah. And
that's
I
a big
think
ticket.
part of it too is like the also increase in reconstruction costs that everybody
Yeah.
is dealing with. If you're building a new home or if you're getting
Mhm.
windows replaced, whatever it might be, the labor rates and the material costs are through the roof as they haven't been in since I've been in the industry going on 11 years. And it's crazy. But it is also unfortunate because I know that there are some people looking to buy homes that are getting priced out of the home that they're looking for because the rates for insurance are so high, it throws their debt to income ratio off. And so we just
Yeah.
want to give you a couple pointers on today's episode of how you can avoid catastrophic rate increases. And the
Mhm.
first biggest thing is you've heard me say it before. I'm going to say it again, and you're still not going to do it. We know, but it's read your policy and make sure you're only making a claim for things that are covered or that you think are going to exceed your deductible. Because
Mhm.
once you make a claim, you become a risk. You go from being an asset, you're paying them money every single month, to a liability. Now you're saying, hey, pay back some of that money and cover this risk that you agreed to cover based on the policy contract. And so that's one of the biggest things you can do is make sure when you make a claim, it's actually going to get paid fully and fairly based on what your policy says.